In this video, I'm going to show you the latest RedBubble trends with low competition so that you can have a better chance of selling on RedBubble. Let's go. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. So in this video, we're going to take a look at RedBubble trends for this week, November 16th, and find some of the low competition trends. So those that don't have a lot of competition, not a lot of results, so that you can compete in there, get some quick sales for this Q4. And you're going to want to stay to the end so that I can recap all of them, all 10. You're going to be able to take a screenshot of it so that you can have a list of what to do this week, and also stay till the end for another edition of trend credit. So we got a lot of trends in this video. So let's go to RedBubble so we can see what these trends look like and what your competition will look like. So here we are in RedBubble. We're going to start with number 10. We're going to start typing here, everyone was thinking it, I just said it. So let's look at it here. 167 results, not too bad. It was trending. You saw the trend lines there. So this is kind of a longer one. This is a funny one too. I think would make a great sticker. Also would make a great shirt to wear during Thanksgiving because lots of funny things are said during Thanksgiving. So you can see here, not a lot of results. This is your competition, mostly text. If you can think of putting a graphic in here, I think you'd do well. Not sure what kind of graphic you could put in here, but you can brainstorm. So everyone was thinking it, I just said it. Really funny t-shirt or sticker, I think would do well. So that's number 10. So number 9 is a funny one too. Let's just type this in. Professional pizza eater. So this could make a really good Christmas gift too for somebody that loves to eat pizza. You can see here, only 165 results. So you can see the competition as well. I think there's a lot of room for someone to come in here and do another design or two. So professional pizza eater, it's trending. You can see this would make a good sticker as well as a t-shirt, I think, for Christmas, gifting it to someone that loves to eat pizza or can eat a lot of pizza. Like if you can eat a whole pizza, I would say you're a professional pizza eater. Or if you eat pizza more than 3 times a week, professional pizza eater. So this is a good one. Number 9, professional pizza eater. It's trending right now. So for number 8, it's another idea for another profession. So let's say being a teacher is easy, which it isn't, but I think it's just a shorter version of saying being a teacher is easy. It's like riding a bike, except the bike is on fire. You're on fire and everything's on fire and you're on fire. So it's kind of just a short thing of kind of a funny long joke here. So it's just a funny play on words. You can see here. Really funny gift for people who are teachers because we know that teaching isn't easy. So of course, that's the joke right here. Being a teacher is easy. Only 141 results. That is your trend number 8 on RedBubble. So number 7 is another teacher related design. So we're just going to type in teacher. You're going to see here, teacher gonna teach. And this one has 161 results. And you can see here, good stickers, lot shorter words. So if you're gonna do another teacher one, you can do this one, just 3 words here. So this would be a great one for the stickers or those designs that I showed you how to make on stickers. Just use different fonts, keep it interesting. So it's a great idea for teachers, for Christmas presents. I think this would be good, as well as stickers. I think this would be a great gift for teachers to put on their laptops or water bottles or whatever. So look at this one, teacher gonna teach. That's trend number 7, only 161 results. So this next one, trend number 6, is a longer one. To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered. I don't know where this came from, but it's a really cool saying. You can see here, it looks really cool on this phone, whoever did this one. So this is another one, so you're gonna have to be careful with your fonts. Use probably condensed fonts to make sure that everything fits in here. So this is your competition here. Of course, you can use graphics like stars and maybe clouds for dreaming. I think this would be a really cool one to try and do. And it only has 122 results, so very low results on this one as well. To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered, this is my number 6 for this video. So for the next trend in this video, it's a Thanksgiving-ish kind of thing. So happy Slapsgiving right here. So I heard this saying before and I checked USPTO to check if it's trademark and I couldn't find anything. So I think it's safe. Happy Slapsgiving, only 90 results here. You can see the competition. I would probably make it, have something to do with a turkey, or a hand, of course, for slapping. So be careful on this one to make it look more Thanksgiving than just a hand. So kind of work in the hand with the Thanksgiving so that you can see like both of them together. So there's lots of ways you can do that, but that's the route I would go. Because it is a play on words for Thanksgiving, you want it to kind of have that Thanksgiving theme on it too. So only 90 results. This is a great one to do. As it gets closer and closer to Thanksgiving, I think you'll probably get more sales on this one, hopefully. So that is trend number 5 for this video. So trend number 4 is a little bit of dark humor, and it starts off as dark humor. Right here, dark humor is like food. Not everyone gets it. That's really dark. So usually they put somebody like Stalin here or something like that, or it's just text you can see here. So try and be playful with this one. It is kind of it's funny, but it's like, ooh, you just said that. So dark humor is like food. Not everyone gets it. Of course, that's kind of funny because that is dark humor right there. So you can see here, this is a competition, so not a lot of competition. So only 49 results right here, so very low results. I don't know if a lot of people will actually get this joke either, so that's something you probably have to think about when going after this. But it does have low results, and it was trending, and you saw the trend line. So this is number 4, dark humor. So it seems like every week we have to have some kind of animal in the top 10, and this week is no exception. We're going to type in mountain biking sheep. So here's mountain biking sheep. You can see only 43 results. There's so many different ways you can do this. Sheep riding a bike, a mountain bike would be funny, or up a mountain. You can see there's so many things here. This would be great for someone that bikes or loves sheeps or both. So I think this would make a good present, a good sticker. You can see here it's on a mask. I would love to see this on a shirt too. That would be really good. You can see some of these right here. So mountain biking sheep, 43 results. So this one is trend number 3 for this week. Number 2, this one's kind of unusual. I don't actually know what it means, but it's trending, so let's look at it. In Techno We Trust. So there's lots of ways we could do this as well. Just make sure it looks more techno. In Techno We Trust, techno right here. Only 40 results. So you can see all the different ways people have tried to do this. I would probably make it look more techno. Like a lot of these don't actually look techno, whatever that is. But I'm thinking more lights, or I don't actually know what techno is, but it doesn't look like this to me. So do some research, find out what techno is, and kind of make your designs more techno. Only 40 results, so very low competition right here. So this could make a really good present as well for someone who loves techno and loves funny sayings. Could make a really cool sticker as well. So in Techno We Trust, it is trending and it only has 40 results. And it is my number 2 trend for this week. For my number 1 trend this week, again, this is my number 1 trend that I found. It's not necessarily the number 1 trend on RedBubble. So it starts off, I just want to be appreciated. Doesn't everybody? So I think this will be really good. I just want to be appreciated. Only 21 results, so it's trending, but it has very low results. Great sticker idea, great t-shirt to wear to Thanksgiving or at Christmas. I just want to be appreciated. You can see here, not a lot of results, and very short phrase, so you can use some of those design tips that I told you about earlier in the week and a couple weeks ago. You could use it for this. Just think of different ways that you can do this with the designs I showed you, and I think it will do really well. So that is it for the 10 trends that I found this week that had low results. Let's do a recap right now. So here are all the 10 trends that I found on Redbubble with low competition for this week. And let's go through them right now. Everyone was thinking it, I just said it. Professional pizza eater. Being a teacher is easy. Teacher gonna teach. To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered. That's pretty, huh? Happy slaps giving. Dark humor is like food, not everyone gets it. Mountain biking sheep, another animal one you can do. In Techno We Trust, and I just want to be appreciated. So take a screenshot right here. If you don't know what to do, what to design this week, here's your list of 10. You can do all 10, or you can pick which ones you like to do the best. So these are trending this week with low competition. So that is it for this video. Hopefully this was really helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you continue to like these videos and if they have been helpful for you. I'd like to make sure that these help you get sales so that you can make some of that Q4 money this year. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thanks for staying all the way to the end. Here is your reward, another edition of Trend Credits. All right, guys, thanks so much for staying to the end for this Trend Credits. Here is the trend for this video. My favorite daughter gave me this shirt. So you can see right here, it's getting some low BSRs. And this makes a great gift for Christmas. Probably daughters buy this for their parents. And of course, the parents have to wear it and say, this was from my favorite daughter. So it's kind of like those kind of gag gifts. And this is also very scalable. So, you know, my favorite son gave me this shirt. My favorite mom gave me this shirt. My favorite aunt. You can see how this would scale really nicely. Just switch out daughter with something else here. So this is the competition. Look at those BSRs here. So checking Merch Informer. My favorite daughter gave me this. It's getting an A, so you know it's good. Again, Merch Informer, have a link in the description if you don't have it already. That is your trend for this video. Thanks so much for staying till the end for this Trend Credits, and thanks so much for staying till the end of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.